Now these transfers are a very fast way that you can get a very effective 3D look to the face and to your makeup without having to add too much. Now I want to give him the look of his eye being swollen from being punched in. So I'm going to use this transfer that has a little bit of a lift to give the illusion of where it's going to go. Now again, I want to be able to see where the actual placement is going. So I'm just going to draw lightly after holding this up to the light so I can see where everything is. Just give a light outline on the back. I have a tiny little bump here and then the big bump here to get an idea of placement so you know where to put it. And again, we're going to pull slowly this little bit of a film off. We're going to take a tiny little bit of alcohol. Close your eyes for me. Tiny bit of alcohol. Make the skin nice and clean. Then from there, we're going to go ahead and apply this. So we see about where it's meant to be, and this will flow actually with the outside edge of his eye. So we press this down, adhere it to the dry skin. Then with our wet sponge, we hold on top. This one will take a bit longer because it is a larger piece, but it will work the exact same way as that other one does. You can see too, it's easy to tell when the paper has touched the water because it starts to get darker. And you want to just make sure that you're getting all the different areas and everything has saturated with water. You may need to add a little bit more. And just take your time. Make sure all the different areas have been adhered to. Gonna test this to see if it's ready to pull off, which it does look pretty ready. And then just tap the final little areas in, make sure there's no air bubbles. Then we can go again, we'll go in with our alcohol and we'll blend away that edge. That way it is not as visible as we see here. Now some of these pre-made ones do take a bit longer to blend away the edges than some of the homemade ones. Just be patient with it, take your time, you'll eventually get it to where you want it to go. But making sure that that edge is nice and clean and as soft as possible is where you'll get a really good outcome. And you can see how already, because of this slight pink tint, it looks like he's been punched in the face. He's got a little bit of a swell to the area here. This is a good way to add it in a 3D effect versus doing it with your paint. Now, since we've already done bruising and you already know how to do bruising, we can do some bruise effect makeup on top of that to further add to the image.